Ever wonder how football shoes are made before they ever touch a stadium pitch?
Today we're tracking the full factory journey, from design planning to the final boxed pair.
You'll see cutting, stitching, molding, bonding, pressing, quality testing, every step that shapes performance.
Because one small mistake here can mean slipping, discomfort, or even a sole that separates.
Let's break it down into simple steps, exactly like a real production line.
First comes the design brief: speed or control, player position, durability targets, and comfort requirements. Engineers build a 3D model to plan shape, support zones, and how the boot flexes. Stud placement is calculated for traction, stability, and safe rotation during sharp cuts.
Materials are chosen for weight, breathability, strength, and how the upper grips the ball.
A prototype is built so the team can see the design in real, physical form.
Fit checks confirm toe room, heel lockdown, and pressure points that could cause blisters.
Wear tests reveal how the boot behaves under sprint-in, stop-in, and fast direction changes. Feedback leads to revisions, sometimes many, until grip, comfort, and touch meet the target.
Once approved, the factory can start mass production with consistent specs and repeatable results.
Production begins when raw materials arrive: fabrics, synthetics, foams, rubber, and small hardware. Upper materials must match exact thickness and consistency to keep every pair feeling the same.
Foam controls cushioning and energy return. Too soft feels unstable. Too hard feels harsh. Rubber compounds will form the outsole or stud plate, setting grip and long-term wear.
Incoming quality checks measure thickness, stretch, and strength before materials enter the production line.
Color is matched under controlled light, so left and right shoes never look different.
Defective sections are removed immediately, preventing weak spots from becoming failures later.
Next, large sheets are prepared for cutting, because accurate panels are the foundation of fit.
Die cutting produces consistent shapes at scale, keeping production fast and repeatable.
Laser cutting is used when precision matters most, delivering clean edges and tight tolerances.
Every piece is sorted immediately, so assembly stays smooth and mistakes don't pile up.
Tracking by size and left-right pairing prevents mismatches that would ruin symmetry. A fast inspection confirms the cut lines match the template, protecting comfort and performance. Approved panels travel forward, ready to become a complete upper through bonding and stitching. Surface textures are added to improve control and durability without adding heavy layers.
Support overlays stiffen key zones, helping the foot stay stable during hard lateral moves.
Heat bonding fuses layers cleanly, reducing stitching, reducing weight, and improving water resistance.
The toe area gets extra protection because it takes impact, abrasion, and repeated ball strikes.
After cooling, the reinforced panels hold their shape and move to upper assembly. Now panels are assembled into an upper, using stitching, seam tape, and bonding where needed. Strong, clean seams prevent tearing and stop rough edges from irritating the foot.
Internal heel structure improves lockdown so your foot doesn't slide during acceleration.
The lacing system is assembled to distribute pressure evenly across the top of the foot.
Comfort linings reduce friction and help manage heat during long training sessions.
Some models replace extra stitching with bonded tape for lighter weight and cleaner flex.
Each upper is checked for skipped stitches, wrinkles, and alignment issues.
With the upper complete, it's time to build the outsole, the part that creates traction.
Rubber compounds are mixed to balance grip, flexibility, and resistance to wearing down.
The material feeds into molding machines, where heat and pressure shape the outsole precisely. Inside the mold, stud geometry and plate stiffness are formed exactly to specification. When the mold opens, the stud plate comes out fully shaped, with every stud in place.
Cooling and curing stabilize the plate so it keeps its shape under pressure.
Stud layouts control traction and safe release, helping you turn fast without sticking dangerously. Different grounds need different soles: firm ground, artificial grass, or turf surfaces. Quality checks confirm stud height and alignment, catching molding defects before assembly. Next is lasting, the step that gives the upper its final, foot-shaped structure. The upper is positioned on the last, aligning the heel and toe for consistent fit. Tension removes wrinkles and sets the material so the boot hugs the foot correctly. Heat helps the materials memorize this shape, keeping fit consistent across thousands of pairs. An internal base is added to support the foot and prepare for outsole bonding.
Now the upper is shaped and stable, ready to be joined with the sole.
Before gluing, surfaces are roughened so adhesive can grip strongly and resist peeling.
A primer may be applied to improve bonding between different materials.
Industrial adhesive is applied in controlled layers for a consistent hold.
Timing matters. The glue must reach the right tack before parts are pressed together.
The outsole is aligned precisely because small shifts can change balance and stability. Then the boot enters the press, where high pressure locks the bond. This is critical. Strong bonding prevents separation during sprints, stops, and powerful shots. After pressing, edges are checked for gaps, bubbles, and misalignment. Curing time lets the adhesive stabilize, improving long-term durability. Finally, excess glue is cleaned, edges are refined, and the boot looks production ready. Now comes final quality control, the last checkpoint before anything gets packaged. Inspectors review stitching, overlays, and surface defects that could weaken the boot.
Measurements confirm both shoes match in size, shape, and overall symmetry.
Outsole alignment is verified to ensure stable footing and consistent traction.
Flex tests simulate movement to catch weak areas before players ever wear them. Sampling tests check bond strength, reducing the chance of sole separation during matches. Then sock liners and laces are added, completing the boot's final setup. Each pair is wrapped, boxed, and labeled for tracking and store display. Cartons are palletized for shipping, ready to travel from factory floor to athletes worldwide. And that's how football shoes are made. Next, we'll compare FG, AG, and TF soles.